What's up, everybody? Let's hop right into this and do what we do. Over the day, while I didn't post an analysis post, we had another consolidation. This is the third one that is formed around the 23.6 fib line. Third consolidation. These two actually wind up right on top of it. The first two wind up right on top of it. This next one's a little off. You can see the yellow line, consolidation line up here. The other two literally lay right on top of the 23.6 retracement. Excuse me. The um, resistance area has actually widened. It's all the way down here now versus back up here where it was. This has decreased. The support area is no longer all the way up to the top here, although we did get a bounce right here off the support. So it's still pretty close up there, but this is primary support right here. This would be secondary support. Even though it's closer to the action, some people would flip that and call that the primary and this the secondary. But this is actually the primary because no matter what the price action has tried to do, it hasn't been able to break this point. This is the primary resistance because no matter what we've tried to do, we haven't been able to break this point, which would be right up through here. This entire level right here, we haven't been able to get out of that for whatever reason. Can't get past this other than to wick it right here. That's the best we've been able to do is wick that area. So I'm going to change this back to a smaller area. This would be our profit area right in here. If you could get in at the very lowest point, right here would be an entry, obviously. Anything below the newest consolidation line is an entry point. Okay, so when it came out of consolidation here, it expanded obviously straight away below the consolidation line. So all of these are entry points. Every single one of those candles is an entry point down to here where it starts to reverse and go back up. Right here where it dips, this is also an entry. Exit would be right where it pulls back. So your little profit margin is right in there for the time being. That's the new channel that's being created. Don't know how long it will last. Don't know if it will remain a channel, but it appears to be right now because we just bounced off of it and we've started heading in the other direction. What we're about to do is we're about to retest this consolidation line and see if it's support. If it's support, we will bounce off of it and go back up into the resistance area, most likely crashing the 35K line and surpassing it. How far we'll surpass it? Well, last time we got to the swing high, which is right here at 35,164. But that's only if the consolidation line holds up here. If not, then the 23.6 will most likely hold and we'll bounce off of that and we'll have our channel uh, created at that point. This being the top of the channel and the fib line possibly being the bottom or this consolidation line. We'll just have to see how it plays out over the next 5-6 hours, however long it takes to get back down to this level. So let me check real quick and see what the day chart is. The day is green. Okay, so that means we're still looking good for the day. So the week is most likely green, and I'm not going to check the month because if the week is green, the month is why the week is green. Okay, so no need to check that. Go back to the hour. which is also green. And yeah, our next candle will most likely be a green candle coming up here to retest the resistance if it can get past this little blockade right here that it couldn't get past last time. I'm expecting it to, although we have weak volume at this point. That could change at any moment. That could literally change at any moment. I see the MACD is starting to curve here. So, in all honesty, that next candle may be a red candle. I know according to the Heikinashi will most likely look like we're in a downward trend right now. Actually, the Heikinashi is showing a doji or a candle of indecision, which means the market is trying to make up its mind right here which direction it's going to go. And if I had to choose, I'm going to go ahead and say that the market's going to continue to go up, that the next candle on the way will be green. And as we see right here on the Heikinashi, this doji was just red. Now it's a green doji. That being said, today is October 29th. It is Sunday. It is 1:51 p.m. California time. The doji just turned back red on us, but we are still in an upward movement. So I believe over the next couple of hours, we're going to retest the resistance area and not the consolidation line. I don't think it's ready to turn around yet. From what I see here, even though the MACD down here is telling me that it's trying to curve back towards the consolidation versus test the resistance. We'll just have to see how that goes. Pardon me for clearing my throat. It's allergy season for me. So I'm going to be stuffy and head all plugged up for the next month or so. Anyway, guys, I'm going to call it quits for right now, and I will see you tomorrow. As always, this is the Dark Sage signing out. You have a blessed day, and peace be with you.